Hey guys, I've been experimenting with intermittent fasting for the past year, and the results have been mind-blowing. I used to think fasting was just another fad diet, but boy was I wrong. Let's dive in and talk about what intermittent fasting really is. It's not a diet, it's an eating pattern. The thing is, it's not about what you eat, but when you eat. So how does it work? Well, when you fast, your body goes through some pretty amazing changes. It's like, giving your cells a chance to take out the trash and do some repairs. And get this, it can boost your metabolism and help you burn fat. But it's not just about weight loss. People who fast regularly often report better focus, more energy, and even improved overall health. I've personally noticed a huge difference in my productivity and mental clarity since I started fasting. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but how do I get started? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The easiest way to begin is with the 16/8 method. That's where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. It's simpler than it sounds. You're basically just skipping breakfast. Start slow, listen to your body, and remember to stay hydrated. And hey, if you have any health conditions, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor first. When I first started, I thought I'd be starving all the time, but my body adapted pretty quickly. Now it's just a normal part of my routine and I feel better than ever. And that's the basics of intermittent fasting. Give it a try and you might be surprised at the results. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.